In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can continue a geometric sequence for the next two terms. Unlike an arithmetic sequence, where you have a common difference between two terms, a geometric sequence has a common ratio. In order to find a common ratio, take two consecutive terms and divide them. So 54 divided by 18 gives me 3. That means in order to go from 18 to 54, we are multiplying by 3. To check, I can also do 162 divided by 54, and I also get 3. So that means that 54 is also being multiplied by 3 to get the next term. So to find the fourth term in this case, I have 162 as my third term, and I multiply it by the common ratio, and this gives me 486. To find the fifth term, I get the fourth term and multiply it by 3, and this gives me 1458. I've now found the next two terms. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So finding the next two terms of this geometric sequence, I need to find the common ratio first. 12 divided by 6 is 2. That means it's doubling every single time. To check, I can do 24 divided by the previous term, which is 12, and that also gives me 2. So we can see here that the common ratio is 2 between any two consecutive terms. To find the fourth term, 24 times 2 is 48, and to find the fifth term, the fourth term multiplied by 2 is 96. I've now found the next two terms of the geometric sequence.